pop-up notes in the Business Builder and the Turbocharged edition, and the way they work is if you search for a client's record, so let's search for a Mr. Simmons record, and if I have a look on here and double click to go into the client's record, the way the pop-up notes work is if there's an outstanding issue on the client's record, you can put a note on there and you'll see it's opened at the client's record with the notes displaying automatically, so it makes the user immediately aware that there's something that they need to know about this client. So obviously I can see there's a note date and the note details. If I click into the box, I can then read the note details, and it says this client has an outstanding complaint and will be calling in to organise a reclean, and then just somebody's initials in there. So there's all sorts of ways that you can use this, just so that as soon as you log into the client's record you're aware. And this is handy if you've got staff in the office or different people using the system. So if this client did call back in to organise the recleaners in this example, the person that logs in to the client's record to when the client calls in immediately sees that, so the client's not got to explain what the issues are and things like that. You can also use this for if you've tried to organise delivering the rug back. So you've made a call to the client and there's no reply, but you've left a message saying call us back, the delivery of your rug's ready. You can click add new note on here, and then you could put in here, for example, called to organise return of rug. And then when the client does call in, obviously whoever logs in, if it's a different person, will immediately see it. It'll open on the notes screen and they'll be able to see the note at the top that says they've been called to organise the return of the rug, so they immediately know what's happening. And again, the client doesn't need to do a lot of explaining, and you don't need to look through the client record to find out the reason for the client calling in. Once these have been done, obviously you can tick the box that's been done, so the next time you come into the client's record this message is suppressed and it just opens on the main normal client screen. So that's pop-up notes, how easy they are and how they work.